How to create a LinkedIn business page on mobile. So if you want to create a LinkedIn business page on mobile, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search for LinkedIn. Go with linkedin.com. Now, once you tap on it, make sure that you're on your desktop side. You can go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and turn on your desktop side. After turning on your desktop side, you need to just go with the work icon. Go with for business, which is on the top right, and then here you will have create a company page. You can tap on create a company page, and here it says that you need to confirm your email address first. So you just need to simply go with your LinkedIn settings and you need to confirm your email address. After confirming your email address, you'll be able to create a page. So you just need to simply go with mark email as correct. You need to enter your password of your LinkedIn, and after that, it has been verified. Now you can go back. Once you've refreshed, you will get this kind of page. Now you can select company or educational institution or showcase page. So I'll just simply go with company, and you need to have enough connections to start a business page or a company page. So make sure you have some connections, and after that it will give you a form. And once it gives you the form, you need to enter the the organization's name, and after that the company's name. Enter all of the information that you know or that it asks you. It will ask you for the website, and after entering all of that information, just go with continue and your page will be created. That's how you can create a LinkedIn business page on mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.